Hello, my name is Jason Mercer, the Toronto Real Estate Board's Director of Market Analysis and Service Channels. With October behind us, let's take a quick look at how the market fared last month and through the first 10 months of 2018. For October, it was another good news story with regard to sales and price. Greater Toronto Area Realtors reported 7,492 sales through TREB's MLS system in October 2018, a 6% increase compared to October 2017. On a preliminary seasonally adjusted basis, sales were down by 1% compared to September 2018. The average sale price for October 2018 was up by 3.5% on a year-over-year basis to $807,340. After preliminary seasonal adjustment, the average selling price was up 1% compared to September 2018. The MLS Home Price Index composite benchmark was up by 2.6% compared to October 2017. Price growth continued to be driven by the condominium apartment and higher density low-rise market segments. Now, annual sales growth has been positive since the spring, and so while the OSFI stress test and higher borrowing costs have kept sales below 2016's record pace, many households in the Greater Toronto Area remain upbeat on home ownership as a quality, long-term investment. A strong regional economy and steady population growth will continue to support the demand for ownership housing as we move into 2019. So let's turn to the supply side of the market. There are 14,431 new listings entered into TREB's MLS system in October 2018, and this was down 2.7% compared to October 2017. The fact that sales were up and new listings were down year over year in October suggests that market conditions became tighter over the last year. Annual sales growth has outstripped annual growth in new listings for the last 5 months, underpinning the fact that listing supply remains an issue in the Greater Toronto Area. With municipal elections in the rearview mirror, all levels of government need to concentrate on policies that could remove impediments to a better supplied housing market, including facilitating the development of a broader array of medium-density housing choices. Now, given that we're approaching the end of 2018, it's also important to consider where we stand year to date. Through the first 10 months of 2018, there were 67,472 sales reported through TREB's MLS system. This result was down from 80,061 sales during the same time frame in 2017. This year really has been a tale of two halves, with sales in the first half of 2018 affected by the lingering effects of the Fair Housing Plan, plus the onset of the OSFI stress test and increasing interest rates. In the second half of the year, we have seen some buyers move off the sidelines, which is why sales have been up year over year since the late spring. From a year-to-date pricing perspective, the average selling price through the first 10 months of 2018 was $789,181, down from the average of $833,512 during the first 10 months of 2017. Similar to sales, we saw the average price down year over year in the first half of 2018, followed by moderate year over year rebound in the average selling prices in the second half of this year. Looking forward, TREB remains committed to high-quality housing research. We will be releasing our 4th annual Market Year in Review and Outlook report at the beginning of February 2019.